and finding of one very beautiful, very helpful herb, the Mullein. So it is perfect to cure cough and sore throat. You can make tinctures from this. You can dry it and make a tea, or if you can chew a little from the leaves. But be careful, because it have small hairs. Small hairs can irritate your throat. But if you are careful, no problems. It will cure your problems, your cough. And pick only 3, maximum 4 leaves from a plant, because you know the plants have these organs to photosynthesize, to feed themselves. So be grateful and take from the nature only what you need. You can visit another plant and pick another 3 leaves, and this way you can have a bunch of leaves to cure your problems. Be healthy.